What is integrated treatment and how many rehab programs adopt it? Mental health and substance abuse share a long and complicated relationship. They drive each other and make each other steadily worse. Plus, they often occur together, too. And in my line of work, we call this combination a dual diagnosis. The Cleveland Clinic cites sources that say 50% of people with a substance use disorder also have a mental health disorder, and vice versa. I'm Jeremy Arts, an LMFT whose passion is helping people create lives worth living through drug rehab treatment. And when I was building the programs here at the Edge Treatment Center, I made sure we were able to treat dual diagnosis effectively by using an approach that therapists like me call integrated treatment. What is integrated treatment? Basically, integrated treatment is providing a person with mental health and substance abuse treatment at the same time. It's a relatively new approach, too. See, back in the day, our society had a much simpler and inaccurate view of mental health and addiction. Addiction and mental health were barely understood, let alone understood as treatable. Nobody understood that there were many deep connections between these two issues, and thus nobody tried treating them together. Over the years, the medical establishment realized that only treating part of a person's problem tended to fail. Slowly but steadily, the various genetic and environmental factors that cause these conditions were better understood, and treatment centers like the Edge began to structure their programs around integrated care. Now, integrated care is recommended by the American Psychiatric Association, the American Psychological Association, the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, and more as being an effective approach to treating dual diagnoses. What are the benefits of integrated treatment? Integrated treatment works so well for patients for many reasons. First, it's designed to help patients understand why they're using drugs and the role drugs and alcohol play in their lives. Education plays a big role in integrated treatment too. By teaching people how drugs and mental disorders interact with each other, they're able to better understand their own behavior. Also, integrated treatment provides therapy services specifically designed to help people with dual diagnoses. Plus, integrated treatment helps people in other ways. It helps them articulate and realize their treatment goals, shows them how recovery from both conditions will help them, and even provides help with finding a job and restarting their lives after leaving drug rehab. At the Edge, my team uses many aspects of integrated treatment, including a cognitive behavioral therapy, motivational interviewing, relapse prevention, and more. It's the best and most effective way to help people with a dual diagnosis. What causes dual diagnoses? This question isn't easy to answer. There's many potential causes for a dual diagnosis. Genetics, environmental factors like stress, trauma. One or all of these can cause a person to develop a dual diagnosis. It's not a chicken or the egg problem. Some mental disorders can cause people to abuse substances by self-medicating. Some addictive substances can also actually cause mental disorders like meth. However they start, there's one important thing to remember about dual diagnoses. They're treatable. Integrated treatment at the Edge Treatment Center. The Edge's effective dual diagnosis program was designed around the principles of integrated treatment. It's a great way to help people treat their addictions as well as the underlying mental health causes behind them. If you're struggling with your mental health and addiction at the same time, the last thing you are is alone. With the right help, you can treat both issues and live the life you deserve. Give us a call at 844-590-0403 and we'll help you explore integrated treatment. Thanks for watching our video, and click those like and subscribe buttons too. We're always updating our channel with the latest dual diagnosis content. See you next video.